Hello there, my name is Manny and today is August 30th, 2024. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-video ng buwan kasi medyo maulan itong mga nakaraang araw. Well, right now we have here a crescent moon. Yeah. It's rising on the east. No, late na siyang sumikat. Alas 6 na ng umaga, 6 o'clock in the morning. And yes, a bit medyo maliwanag na umaga na. Kaya medyo asul na yung kulay niya. But anyway, bawasan natin ang exposure. Wait lang. Okay, I think that's more like it. So crescent moon po yan. I think medyo matagal pa bago mag full moon ulit. Alright. So there you go. I'm using my Tasco Luminova 4.5 inch 900mm Newtonian astronomical telescope. This is a 4.5 inch mirror, parabolic mirror telescope. Yeah. So it's a parabolic mirror type reflecting telescope. Okay. And with my Sony a6000, yung luma kong Sony mirrorless Sony a6000 attached to it, mounted via a my homemade eyepiece adapter. Gumawa tayo ng adapter para dito sa kamerang to, specifically for Sony cameras. Zoom out natin, naka-zoom in na kasi ako sa digital zoom. Zoom out natin, yan po, ganyan lang po talaga ang kanyang image. Pero since ang live view ng Sony mirrorless cameras ay pwedeng i-zoom, so yan ay zoom in natin. Okay, so yan na yung full times 2 na zoom ng Sony a6000. 1080p video lang to, no? So hindi na natin siya mai-zoom sa, tingnan natin kung kaya pa sa ating editing software. Pero kung yung 4K na Sony a6400, kaya pa natin i-zoom sana doon sa mga creators. Tingnan natin maya maya. So guys, there you have it. I hope you like the video today morning. So hindi na po gabi, no? Pasikat pa lang ang buwan. Uy, may ulap na. Okay, so I'm also taking a time-lapse video through my trail camera na nabili ko last week. Tingnan natin yung sunrise, no? Abangan natin. Time-lapse video naman yun. Every 5 seconds, take siya ng photo. Then, i-compile niya sa isang video. Tingnan natin kung maganda. Well, anyway, hanggang dito na lang po. Nasa rooftop ka ako pag actually is I'll be starting the video now at bababa na ako. Medyo kanina pa ako dito sa rooftop, no? At yung basang-basa, umulan kasi. But malinaw naman ngayon. I mean, clear naman ngayon ang panahon. No sign of thick clouds. So siguro mamayang hapon pa uulan ulit. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.